Hey guys, how's it going today? I'm gonna tell you guys how to create Discord guilds, invite link to any guild that you want. And the honest truth to that is there is no such way to do it. You can go ahead, watch other YouTube videos, they'll tell you to do a bunch of stuff, update your Discord, blah blah blah. You can try those, but you can see we're on the official Discord page and it says this feature is currently an experiment and only available to a select number of users, which means this thing is still in its beta version and they haven't released the full version to the mass public yet. So, until unless your account was granted like magically, you cannot do that. You can see if on the discovery tab you have guilds or not, and if your friend gives you an invite link, you can try joining that. But there will be two options that you'll see. First one is the join waitlist for guilds, which means unfortunately you weren't selected, and if you see apply to join, it means your account was magically allowed access, and that is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.